Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, I have a strong feeling that November 2020, down at Kingston Jubilee Hospital, I got overcrowded. I think Jubilee and Andrews and all these places that have a maternity ward, I think they're going to be overcrowded. Because now that the entire country is going to be home for 7 days, well, not the entire country, essential services are still going to be working, but a significant portion of the country will be at home, quote unquote, working from home. When you add that to the people who were already at home, got them now no work, when you couple that with a little breeze or a blow from ready, when you couple that with some soul strewn, when you couple that with a whole heap of food and Netflix, people, the maternity ward will be very full down there in November. People, I hope you don't get carried away, right? And this little 7 days off cause everybody for turning a rabbit, right? Because you know right now people, Simple Simon is bursting with excitement after I hear say him have 7 days for work from home.
Then I work from home, Sir P. I work same way. Bedroom work. Right now, Sir P. I like it, Sir P. Right now, bro God bail me out in Sir P. Because, say, really, I tell Simple Simone, say, I go carry I got Elsha, we go eat some steam fish, right? But, say, I broke, Sir P. See, I broke. I have no money, Sir P. I said, oh, I go carry Simple Simone, got Elsha, after I tell her, I say, we're going to make big flex on my nana money. And then out of nowhere, Sir P. Me say, bro God say, we are stay home for 7 days in a Sir P. 7 days in a Sir P. So hear the plan, Sir P. Hear the plan. So, me go tell her, I say, here was Simple Simone. It's like how we can't go out on a date. You have to just come over me yard, come check me. And so when you come check me, Sir P, I just line up a 3-course meal, Sir P. Right, I just line up a 3-course meal and catch her. Hear the starters, no, Sir P. Hear the starters, no? I just start it off with some dumpling and butter. See, dumpling and butter sweet in the Sir P. And I know so when she get that her appetite, open up. See, and then I just lick her with the mackerel and rice, Sir P. Hey, the mackerel full of pepper in the Sir P. And so when that done, I just sort her out, Sir P. Right, with some nice fritters, right? Because enough people know say fritters is good for dessert in the Sir P. Yeah, man, I want to hear Sir P. And see after that no Sir P, I just carry a gun in my room, Sir P, and just turn on a movie. See, we're on a Netflix still, but you don't know, we have a couple bootleg DVD, right? But I see them thing in a Sir P. And all I go on, Sir P, all I talk about Big C, I'm not afraid of the Big C. Sir P, I'm afraid of Big C, I'm not afraid of the Big A. I'm not afraid of the Big A, Sir P. To show you how I'm not afraid of the Big A, I don't even use Band-Aid. And right now, Sir P, if my foot broke, I don't even want a first aid. I'm not in the Big A, Sir P. I'm not afraid of the Sir P. Hey, Sir P. You want me, Sir P? All I'm talking about Big A and you can catch this and can catch that. That joke that, man. Me a Simple Simone not catch nothing, man. I want to hear Sir P. A fool alone catch them things, man. I know, Sir P, if anything, I just use a scandal bag. I'm not buying a cum down. I'm not doing cum down. No, sir. Then think that waste some money, Sir P. Me if spend my last $500 per one cum down. Me if take my Rizla money. By come down, yeah, mad, Sir P. I'm just use a scandal bag, man. I want to hear Sir P. And the good thing about the scandal bag is after me use it, I can just watch it and hang it out on the line and use it again. I want to hear Sir P. You have to be efficient, man. It's me say it's all about being cost efficient. You see me say Sir P. And if anything wrong, if the scandal bag not work, see, me not in the fool she's born a man not a. What kind of man not a pill? So I want to hear Sir P. We need something there. Hear the remedy, Sir P. Hear the remedy. We don't need a man not a pill, Sir P. Hear the remedy. Me just give her 1 Fenzik, 1 Panadol, and a big bottle of Coca-Cola. That start out everything, Sir P. We don't need a man after. I want to hear Sir P. Right now, I tell them I can't wait, Sir P. This is going to be the best 7 days. Best 7 days in a long time, Sir P.
Fenzik, Panadol, and Coca-Cola. Simon, even by your standards, you have outdone yourself this time. But people, talk to me. What do you think about this move? About the 7 days work from home thing? Now, what I've always wondered, or what I wondered when I hear it is that that might work for people who have a job that involves some kind of computer or some kind of online thing, where you can use like a portal and link up with your staff and link up with your company and all these things. But what about the people who have a job that you need actual physical labor, how them are going to work from home? But I'm sure people will figure it out somehow. And the next thing people, I've been realizing the whole system that the Ministry of Education have, where people, you can log in online and see the picking of them schoolwork and download it and get the picking of them from home. Listen, people, we're seeing signs that Jamaica is moving forward, right? As I say, I like this. I like the whole process where even if the picking them stay home, them can just, log in and get certain work. Of course, it's not going to be the same as if you're in the classroom and, for example, not all children have access to certain online things, but it's a step in the right direction. People will like it, it's a good look, right? And I know some classes actually gone to the point to them all use webcam and you can log in and, get your video lessons and all these things from your teacher. Listen, it's a good look. We need more children, especially those in the lower classes, to have at least access to some kind of what would be good if we had larger centers. Think of like digital libraries, where at times like this, well, I guess that would defeat the purpose, because you can't get in at the library in a time like this. But this is where we see that technology, when it is used properly, can really benefit society, right? We don't want people to stay home and video game and YouTube foolishness, right? In times like this, it's good that they can get access to the internet or get them things, download it, do them work, upload it so them teacher can see it, interact with them teacher via camera. Listen, it's a good look, people. The system is not perfect, but it's a step in the right direction. So far, I really like what I'm seeing as it relates to how the education system has moved on, because I know just 5-10 years ago, something like this, in terms of the digital workload for the students and the teachers, I know it wouldn't be possible. So as I said, we have to give credit in certain places where it's due. And even though I know people might pick out certain faults and say, well, Sir P, this is not perfect and this to do, people bear with the system. At least it's moving in the right direction. All we want to see are progress, People, I don't ask for perfection. I just ask for progress. I just ask to see things moving forward and in the right direction. Times like this is when we see what our systems are made of. And so far, to be honest, as it comes on to the picking them on education and how them still learn on these things, I have to say, I like what I'm seeing, right? I'm going to use the word like. So all the parents, them out there, talk to me and go on. And again, people, let me know what you think about this decision to have people work from home for 7 days. Do you think it's not long enough, or do you think you shouldn't have gone to them levels? Let me know. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.